Shalom Garden family. Welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to come out and give you a little update of what's going on in the garden. And let's look at these real quick because I'm probably trying to uppot these things and put them in the ground. These are the little red giants individuals. My bolted cilantro. She's got some flowers on it. Maybe she'll give me a couple of seeds, but I don't care because I've already reseeded this pot anyway. I had a surprise today too. I got some marigolds coming up in there. This little mustard can get transplanted as well. That little mustard could get transplanted. Back here I've got some, let's see if I can read this. Some green beans, some basil, some dill, some spinach, some cilantro, eggplant, 2 types of eggplant, marshmallow. I can't really read them from here, but they are labeled. This is a plant bed of flowers. Nothing has come up yet. I got some sage coming up that I had to seed this little circle here. The broccoli's doing well. This is the broccoli. She's looking lovely. Ooh, I see some little crowns in there. Wonderful. There's the other one. Yes. There's some broccoli down there. I love it. This is a mixture of greens and cucumbers, and I think the greens are taking over the cucumbers. The cucumbers are struggling, so I got to take them out. More greens here. The rosemary and everything is looking good. I seeded this pot with beans. No, I didn't. Yeah. This is a bed of beans. The kale and everything is looking good. I started a new bed over there. The peach looks lovely. Let's get over here, uncover her. Oh, I hate this curtain setup. But this is what the peach is doing. And the lemon, she's coming up with new leaves, which is what I'm trying to encourage her new growth. But I'm having a hard time trying to control things. But yeah, she's got new growth here. She's got new growth here. New growth here. And she's even budded out down here. So I'm trying to get her to start fresh. And she's doing pretty good, you know. She's looking very healthy right now, and I'm very happy. The aloe, she's looking good over here. She looks like she got something wrong with her. But she's looking fabulous. Let me go look at the other album. All the succulents look good. My companion plants are looking good. My pollinators, look at that. It's gorgeous. The lilies. There's another aloe over here. I still got these in this water. They're just hanging out. They're not going to die. And I'm also using that water. That's my compost water. Or whatever kind of water you call it. Let's look at that. The onions. Looking nice. But I had a little harvest today. Let's go look at my harvest. Before we look at the harvest, this is the second pomegranate. She's at it again. She's going to be tall again. I pruned her all the way down. I don't see any fruitage yet, but fingers are super crossed. Like I said, the mint is looking good, but I decided to harvest the potatoes. I pulled them up because they were dying down, and this is what I found. Look at that. I've got some potatoes. My first, well, I could call it my first successful potato harvest, but it's not. But I'm very happy to get those little potatoes. Believe it or not, they will go a long way. And I will plant some more. Since this was success, I'll plant some more. All right? So, thank you for coming to the channel. But let me show you my other pomegranate real quick. Pomegranate number 2 is in a pot. Okay? You've seen her before. She's gotten so big that I had to literally string her up to keep her out so nobody would knock her beautiful fruit off. I'm hoping that these are females and that they are getting pollinated by some pollinators. I'm praying that we get some pomegranate this year. She's a beautiful, beautiful tree, and I think she's at her most healthiest right now. And that makes me feel good. You know, I've got this chicken manure here. It's been in the bag. I have yet to use it. I honestly don't know what to do with it, but... and some black mulch. I need to get busy. I really need to get busy on weeding. It's going to be super hard for me to weed because I got all these cactuses down here. But I'm going to do the best I can with the right gloves. And she's just calling out, honey. I mean, this is Miss Thing here, honey. She's just literally sprawled out. I don't know what to do with her, but she's so huge. I guess I should try to stand her up. I saw some comfrey in somebody's yard. Now, mind you, one of my subscribers sent me some comfrey, and I don't know what happened to it. But I saw some comfrey in somebody's yard the other day, and I'll be daggone if you don't think I am going to knock on their door and ask them if I could have a piece of their comfrey. This is my volunteer lemon. Let me get back here. This is the volunteer lemon. I need to come and weed her because she is trying to grow. Okay? I think she's beautiful. I know I had another volunteer over here, but I just don't remember what it was. I got lots of dandelions, cookable, these are all cookable greens right here. All of them. They're beautiful, and they are ready to be harvested. All right, so again, remember to always do your best. Be blessed. And this is the agave. Remember to always do your best. This is this Mexican time. Always remember to do your best. Be blessed. And grow something. Anything.